Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to another review class for our students in acupuncture, in ear, um, in auricular medicine. So today we shall be focusing on the tragus. So specifically the subtragus and antitragus points. And we are going to present to you both the European and the Chinese locations, no? The Chinese points. So let's start with the subtragus point, the subtragus zones. Okay. So the first point here is the internal ear. Andito po. Okay. So that means below the tragus, dito banda. Okay. So this is the middle part of the medial aspect of the tragus, the middle part. So this is very good for deafness, no? Tinnitus, dizziness, magkapareho lang tinnitus, deafness. Um, they always go together. If you have tinnitus, you can also be deaf. Dizziness, vertigo, and Meniere's disease, no? So basically, this is more of the internal ear. Okay? Jump po. Another point is the auditory nerve. So from the name itself, you can say that this is the ear nerve supply, no? So it is slightly below the internal ear point. Okay, so I don't see any much difference sa ano niya, no? But as you can see, the same lang yung indications. Then we have the reticular formation. Okay, so this is about a part of the brain, which has something to do with the attention or alertness, no? So sunod-sunod lang sila. The internal ear, auditory nerve, the reticular formation. It affects the brain laterally, and this is good for alertness. So if you are someone who is not as active anymore, you might want to needle this port. Next is the master oscillation. Oscillation, yung parang na umiikot, no? Okay. Um, this is for laterality disorders of the left and right cerebral hemispheres, dyslexia, learning disabilities, attention deficit disorder. Okay, marami pong ganun, and also autoimmune problems. Okay, so internal ear, auditory nerve, reticular formation, and the autoimmune. Now let's go to the antitragus zone. So antitragus means opposite, no? So if this is the tragus, this is the sub. So just opposite, just across is the antitragus. So let's start with the forehead. Okay. I particularly like this point if you really want those lines to. Oh, tinusok pa ito ni Mark, Madam, for the forehead dito. You could really feel na, kaya minsan I let it stay
It's
for
tightening.
tightening niya.
Yeah.
After you have done something about the lines, no? Yun.
Mm-mm.
Kasi I don't think, I'm not so sure ha, kasi parang it's not naman possible siguro. So this is more of tonifying or tightening. So, kasi if these are slack, saka dry pa, no? So you do what's this? Intradermal needling for the lines. Usually
Mm-mm.
after 3 sessions, nawawala na yung lines. So interval of like 3 days. Okay? So ito yung forehead area, nasa antitragus. Okay? Kung ito ang tragus, this is the antitragus. Okay? So this is also good for frontal headaches and then sinusitis, dizziness, impaired vision, insomnia, neurasthenia, anxiety, worry, ang dami na, no? And also even hypertension. Okay? Um, just don't put the needle here. Kasi pag dito yan, tumataas yung BP. So dito na lang siya sa side. Okay, so antitragus. Then we have the temple. Temple where the taiyang is, dito. No? So if you really want to yung mag-lift to, no? Hmm. So how do you tonify? You make it um you make it masakit. So
Mm.
you make it masakit. So mas effective if you use the ear seeds. No? Dito. Oo, sabihan mo to kay Mark, madam, ha? Baka nakalimutan niya to.
No, how do you do, like, you flick the needle para masakit siya?
No, I'm talking about ear seeds. Oo.
Ah, the ear seeds. Okay, I thought needles.
If you simply want to improve the flow, you don't exert so much pressure. You just have to like
Mm.
manipulate mo lang siyang ganon, even method. But
Mm-mm.
if you really want things to happen, mag-ano yan, you need to start with slight pressure, and then
Mm-mm.
as you turn to the left slowly, parang torture, you
Mm.
you will increase the pressure. Okay? And then
Okay.
mafe-feel ng patient after, so you just have to be ano, you just have to be matyaga here. Of course, tiis ganda, no? So
Mm-mm.
so you will she will tell you na nagaganon. Okay? Yeah. Gawin ko nga pala. Ayan, yan. Charot. Oo. Okay, so tomorrow kasi Ryan, so I will tell him to put also sa akin forehead and tempo.
I'll
Mm-mm.
put nga later.
You try, tell me about it.
Sige.
Within 5 minutes, basta
I'll
continuous
feel like
pressure.
parang may pulse siya.
Yeah. Oo, wala siyang effect if you
Okay.
do it when you do clockwise kasi and then fast, no?
Mm-mm.
It's sedating.
Mm-mm.
So it's like you're not actually helping to remove the ano, to lift, no? So yun. Or you try the needle first if you can see it.
Mm-mm.
Try the needle first. And one half lang of the actually ito pala effective na eh, no? So we have this one. So kasi 'di ba when you do gua sha, you do like that, 'di ba? Ano ito
Mm-mm.
dito pataas.
Yes.
Yan. But don't press too much kasi magpupula yung mukha mo. So just have to do like that. And then later on, mafe-feel mo na parang tumitigas siya. Okay?
Mm-mm.
So yun. You try the needle first and then remove it,
Mm-mm.
replace it with ear seed. So here's the
Yes.
forehead, then here's the temple. Mabuti pa siguro kulayan na kaagad, no? Lagyan ng marker. Okay, this is also good for migraine, headache, temporal headaches, and tinnitus. Okay, so temple, forehead.
Yes, for migraines, very effective.
You've tried
Mm.
it.
Uh, I did it to my friend. Sabi niya sobrang nawala daw yung migraine.
Wow. Baka pagtingin lang sa mukha mo na wala.
Hindi.
Oo. Kasi ano yan the temporal area is the gallbladder area, remember?
Mm.
Gallbladder yan eh. Kasi pag nag-migraine ka na, there's pain. Ibig
Correct.
sabihin, yung liver energy mo, lumagpas na, pumunta na sa yang. Nagpunta na ng
Stagnant
gallbladder.
na.
Yeah, so gallbladder na, no?
Yes.
At saka you try asking them, sometimes when they have the headache, no, they feel, they have the bitter taste only when there's headache. Saka they don't feel like
Mm.
eating. Can you imagine bitter taste? No. Can they put too much sugar when they eat? And they don't like coffee without sugar. Okay. So that's it, the tempo. Occiput dito. I like it um for vision. Mm. And also when you have stiff neck. Mm, yeah. So for beauty, just remember the forehead and the temple. So the occiput is here. Okay. Occipital cortex is here. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So that's the occiput. Dito, occipital headache, especially pag nagpunta ka ng isang lugar where you are not, where you are new to. So,
Mm-mm.
there will be wind invasion, diba? Usually pag wind cold, masakit talaga siya, no? So, tension, headaches, facial spasm, stiff neck, convulsion, seizure, dizziness, motion sickness, vertigo, impaired vision. I see vision. Occipital cortex kasi, ito po yung center ng vision natin. No? What you're right, pumupunta siya sa left, mag-decassate yan sa optic chiasm, dito siya. Okay? So, to be able to relieve the headache is something already. Okay? Next. Now, this one, I love this because this is quite easy. This is the Chinese version. Excuse me. So remember earlier, when we discussed these things, andun yung internal ear, right? Hmm.
Mm-mm.
Andito rin yung, ano pa yung iba dyan, no? So, for the Chinese, this is another source. This one is for thirst, no? Hmm. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with the upper warmer, upper xiao uh, imbalance when you have diabetes, but they feel thirsty. So it's the lung area, kaya dry. Ayaw kasi ng lung ng dry. So of course, kulang ka na. You will be so thirsty. Okay. Number 22 is the external nose. So if this is the external nose, so nasa baba ang internal nose. So I believe this is similar to the Western, no? The hunger point is here, which is nearer the face. No? Mm. Um, I did that on somebody, on a 20-year-old lady with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. She was complaining, of course, menses are very irregular. Think every 3, 4 months, minsan 6 months pa daw, and she's getting
Mm.
bigger. And
Mm.
and she read about PCOS. Actually, she consulted a gynecologist, sabi yung na
Mm.
problem niya. So, ang goal talaga is not for her, is for her to lose weight, no? So,
Mm.
of course, you have to really look at how to lose weight. So, pwede ka pa naman kumain, but um, something should tell you when to stop. So, sabi ko sa kanya, after you've eaten, okay. Ito kasing hunger point, it's either wala kang gana or may gana kang kumain, no? So if you want to, what do you call this?
Suppress hunger.
Hunger pangs kasi is something painful, di ba? Masakit yung tiyan mo. So you have to, you do sedation, no? And then with, dito lang oh, dito mo lang. Actually, you don't need a seed eh. Dito lang. Tinuturo hindi ko naman nagagawa. Pero sige lang, gawin ko ngayon. Try not to have dinner. Okay. So yun. Then the adrenals, number 25. This is something to do with stress. Okay. So some, especially women, they have what we call stress eating, no? So
Mm.
they eat a lot when they have problems. So you might want to do this. So nagsusunod-sunod siya. Oh. So internal nose naman, this is for any polyp inside the nose, no? Dito pala yung internal ear, sorry. Not the nose. Internal ear is here. Okay? External ear, external nose rather. Okay. Next, let's discuss one by one. Ang thirst point regulates the thirst, whether excess or deficient or insufficient. And this is commonly used in weight loss protocols to reduce fluid consumption.
Mm.
We go to 22, external nose. when you have acne. Di ba, karamihan ng acne dito sa nose. Oo. Ako naman, if the acne is too big, I would do a drain the dragon, surrounding the dragon technique. Mm. Kaya lang sometimes it's painful, especially if the nose is so maliit, no? Okay lang if malaking
Mm.
nose katulad ng so here, ganun mo siya. But this one will help, no? But of course, when you have acne, we all know what acne is all about. It's damp heat. So you have to also needle the point, which causes dampness, no? Or you tonify the spleen.
Oh.
If the spleen is weak, magkakaroon ng dampness. And also,
Mm-mm.
check the pulse. So kung may heat, you would do LI11 here, no? O LI11. I know, so effective. Siguro after 2 minutes, you will see a change talaga, no? So, and of course, you can use this point 22. Okay. It's also good for rhinitis. So, there are people with allergic rhinitis and also broken blood vessels of the nose. Okay. Then we have the hunger point here. It's nearer the face. So depending upon which acupuncture technique is used, hunger point can reduce or stimulate hunger. So that means you have to know how to do it. So if you're trying to reduce the hunger, what are you going to do?
Counterclockwise.
Yeah. So you would know if it's correct because you will lose the appetite already. Pero you felt, parang I feel like eating pa. So yun. No? And this is traditionally used as part of the weight loss or even the stop smoking protocols where there is a tendency to satisfy oral cravings. Minsan kasi ganito yan. Um, if you want to quit smoking, you have to put
Mhm.
something else in your mouth,
Mm.
diba? So you'll be thinking of eating. The same thing with when you want to to curb your cravings,
Mm-mm.
you will smoke, diba? So, but that will not happen if you needle this point. Okay. Then we go to the internal nose. Mm. This is number 24 in the middle. So this is the hunger point, internal nose, and the adrenals. It treats runny nose, stuffy nose, sinus pressure, maxillary sinusitis. Dito lang kasi yan, no? Maxilla. When you have polyps, um, polyps is actually caused by pag tumigas na yan, polyp, di ba? Polyp has a stem.
Mm-mm.
It has a stem. So
Mm-mm.
as long as it's not too big, you can still do something about it. You have to change your diet. Maybe avoid mo na yung damp food, no?
Yes.
Also bloodiness.
Cut sugar.
Cut sugar. Eliminate talaga sugar. Because practically everything we eat has sugar talaga.
Yeah.
Hmm. Pero kanina, I wanted to ano talaga sana, sabi ko. Kasi you told me yung ano. Kasi ano, ang daming branches ng Goldilocks dito. Yung, dito sa may Siliman, sa may ano, may downtown area. Ay, dyan na naman ng Goldilocks. Sabi ko, I really had to fight my ano to really
But
adrenal.
it's so good eh. Kasi,
I'm thinking of buying for Ryan later kasi we're going to have a massage or weekly or every other week massage. I'm
para
going
may kasama kumain.
Ay, hindi mamimigay
Naghanap ng
yun. So he
kadamay.
would think if you bring food, you brought it for him to keep in
Sa
the,
kanya lang yun.
yeah, tatago niya.
Na free.
Pero I'm still happy. Isipan ko pa. Major point. Ay, naku, you should try yung battery dito. Ay, my God, shucks. Siguro, oh my God, it's like, ay, naku, you should see their, yung pistachio na ano. Like every
Oh
bite
my gosh. I
matters.
love
But
pistachio.
sige, sige. When I go there, I will go there to attend the ano. Will you remind me? Anyway, pa natin matong kita-kita. Ay, paano ko ipapadala yung? Kasi, kailangan na sa ano. Sige, sige. Meron na silang lalagyan na kailangan siya ma-frozen all the time. Bayaran mo lang yung parang meron silang ginawa.
Ah, nasa ba?
Oh my God, it's to die for. I don't know ha, kaya lang, Diyos ko. Oh well. Okay, let's continue. Okay, yeah, so as you can see here, this is major point for treating shock,
Mm.
pulselessness. Di ba there are patients walang pulso, no? Asthma, hypotension, stress, infection, inflammation, trauma. Okay. Did you know that if you have weak adrenals, you can have cough and shortness of breath? No?
Mm.
Adrenals are on top of the kidney, so that makes sense. Hmm.
Mm-mm.
Now you know. Especially for medyo maedad na. Yung ba, ang dami ng pinagdaanan. Tapos, trying hard pa rin. Can be used for
Mm-mm.
disturbing sensations. Kaya magkaka-asthma ka. I had one patient who was asking me, "How come I didn't have asthma when I was in my, you know, in his 30s, 40s, 50s." Na yun. Siyempre, mahina na yung kidney mo. Okay, this one, ang dami.
Mm, okay. Now I get it.
You get it, of course.
Yes, yes. It makes sense now.
It's like
Asthma
this.
and kid.
Yeah, the
Mm-mm.
adrenals are on top of the kidneys, no?
Mm-mm.
And stress is the one that makes you deplete your kidney chi, right?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
So, yun. Kaya pala yung mga nai-stress, inuubo. And what do the doctors give? They just give something for the cough. They never take a look at
Mm-mm.
the kidney. Diba? Okay, ang dami palang points. Okay, na
Mm-mm.
anti-trigos. Tingnan nyo ha. Okay, this one is so effective, I tell you. Pag nakaputi yan, it's really outside. No?
Mm-mm.
Like, nakaganon lang. Ging Chuan, you can combine this with the stop wheezing point here. Remember the stop wheezing? Nasa gitna?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this one. So this is so effective, especially pag matanda na, mahina ang kidney. So a mediocre practitioner would think it's the lung. No, it's the kidney. And then, 'di ba pag mahina siya, hindi siya maka-inhale, that's kidney. Hindi din siya maka-exhale, that's lung. No?
Oh.
Then underside of the
Pag, pag ano na, matanda na.
pag matanda na. Number 66, this one. Itong nakaitim, that's underside,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
the brain.
Posterior.
I'm particularly fond of the brain as an analgesic. No, it's so effective for pain. No, yeah. So sa loob mo ilalagay siya. Okay. And then we have the occiput,
For pain of what?
generalized pain all
Generalized
over the
pain.
body. Yeah. O any pain,
Okay.
para magnanumb siya. Para kang
Mm.
fentanyl. Ay, your
Oh.
favorite. Okay. 67. Parang instant siya, no? Pero you're just as far as ano, um, relieving pain is concerned lang. Okay? So 67 is occiput. Okay? We all know ano ang impact nito. And then the temple. So particularly the same lang siya, di ba? And also the forehead. Remember, forehead is here, the temple is here. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. And then the I1, I2. Grabe, may I1, may I2 pa. 71 ang I1, 72 ang I2. Oh,
Mm.
raise the blood pressure here. So be careful not to press this if the blood pressure is quite high, or you even haven't checked
Mm.
pressure. No? Ito siya.
Pero pag
Um,
low blood pressure, you can press this to
yeah,
raise it
yeah, to raise it
to
temporarily.
level. Okay.
And then we have the ovaries or testes, 74. And then I hope you're liking this, no? Kasi um as much as possible, I wanted to limit only to like this is best done when you do it like one by one, no? Although it's impossible really to memorize all of them, but you can always go
Mm-hmm.
back to this. So I'm really comparing the Western with ano, no? Then the
Mm-mm.
underside sa endocrine dito, 75. Hmm? Yung sa mga merong hormonal imbalance. Okay? Next.
Mm.
Yeah, hormone problems. Inisa-isa. Okay, Ding Chuan. Here, 66.
Mm-mm.
65 para. Ito. Yung pinakadulo dyan, um, if you know how to locate sa body, Ding Chuan, this is 0.52 lateral to do 14. No? So, bakit ka pa magpapahirap na hanapin? Pero there are some they don't like, especially here. Diba? Hanapin mo, malay mo, mali pa yung 214 mo. No?
Yes.
And it is another very powerful point to assist in stop wheezing for bronchitis, asthma. This is called the ear asthma point. Oh, diba? Ding Xuan. Ding Xuan. It works well with stop wheezing point located here in the triangular fossa. Then the brain, which is also called subcortex or thalamus. I have a friend, family friend, who suffered from thalamic stroke. No, every time I poke this area, which is like nasa loob,
Mm-mm.
sumisigaw talaga siya sa sakit. Mm. Thalamic stroke, nagkaroon ng ano dyan. So that means hindi ma-regulate yung temperature mo, yung blood pressure,
Mm-mm.
you're in pain. Okay? It regulates excitation and inhibition of cerebral cortex, diseases of nervous, ang dami digestive, endocrine, urogenital, hemorrhage, insomnia, inflammation, pain, swelling, shock, prolapse, and even excessive sweating. Okay? So kaya nga, it's about regulating the temperature. No? Oh, see, the second most important point in the ear, and of course, the most important would be the stars, is Shanman.
Shan.
Yeah, so, ngayon, dito
Mm.
pala. Medyo nakakamali ako before, especially when you don't review. I tend to use this one here. Mali pala ako.
Can you do both together?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Shan.
Especially if the patient is in pain. Ang
Mm-mm.
Shanman kasi, it relaxes. It gives you more tranquility, more peace.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Um, yeah.
Yeah, lahat ng nilalagyan ko ng Shanman
You
palagi.
know
Oh my
what?
gosh, I slept so well.
Oh yeah, Shanman pa lang. Di ba? What more if, like, tinan mo, ang benefits ng brain, no? Your nervous system, digestive, endocrine,
Mm-mm.
urogenital, lahat na, di ba? Oh. So, it makes sure na yung thalamus mo, you read about it, okay?
Mm-mm.
Medyo, inano mo na siya, nilagyan mo na siya ng fire, ano ba tawag ito? Yung, sinecure mo na siya, no?
Mm-mm.
Oo, kasi if it's not receiving enough blood supply, you can have a thalamic stroke, which is quite painful actually. Diba? So sana no, meron tayong prophylactic ear ear protocol, whatever. Sige, let's do
Mm-mm.
this. Yeah. So second most important point. So we do this. I'll probably teach the Rotary about this. Dadagdag ko to.
So, pag pinrobe pala yung sa brain, pag masakit siya, there's something wrong.
There's something wrong. You find out what it is. Could be
Mm-mm.
the nervous system, could be
Mm-mm.
digestion, could be
Mm-mm.
hormones, endocrine, could be
Mm-mm.
the urogenital, urinary
Mm-mm.
genital area, hemorrhage, no?
Mm-mm.
Hemorrhage is a sign
Mm-mm.
na yung spleen mo to control the blood from getting out.
Mm-mm.
Insomnia makes sense. Insomnia, I think this
Mm-mm.
is blood deficiency, right?
Yes.
Inflammation pain. Can you imagine if why am I pain, no? Swelling. So, bakit hindi ito na lang, di ba? Like,
So, actually, para siyang, ano, ah,
lahat-lahat na.
yeah.
Totoo lang, aralin mo na yung Shenman and the
And
brain.
this one,
Yeah. And it's excessive sweating. Especially ngayon, ang init-init na. Yung iba naman, hindi pa mainit, nag-sweat na.
yeah. Set na.
I think I need this. Oh, take note, it corresponds to, oh, you see, use it to augment almost every treatment because brain controls every bodily.
Every bodily
So
activity.
why not use this?
This one, the both, ano, dalawa lang. Shannon and this one.
Yeah, so I guess for men, you use it on the left. For women, yeah. Parang hindi naman super dami yung mga ano. I'll try this now, no?
Oo nga,
You
I'll
feel a
try.
lot better. And then, ang brain daw, brain point, the subcortex or thalamus, corresponds to the pituitary gland and the thalamus. So, pituitary gland is the master gland, no?
Oo.
For example, if your thyroid hormones are low, no?
Oo.
You have hypothyroidism, mababa yung T3, T4 mo. Tataas si... So, syempre, kung kulang, may gagawin ngayon si master gland, si pituitary.
Oo.
um, is-simulate niya yung, yung ano, yung
Yes.
releasing hormone.
TSH.
Yeah, TSH. Yes, the
Yes.
thyroid stimulating hormone. Oh, di ba?
Hmm.
Mm. So some sources, they call the brain point the subcortex. Okay?
Oo.
Next, we go to occiput. O, di ba? Mas maganda to. Mas marami ako natutunan dito. I-ano ko na naman, i-upgrade. You know what I was, like ngayong Friday kasi, we have another meeting with the Rotary. They're so excited. So, before Friday, naggumawa kami ng health team. So, parang, of course, they have to start with their ears muna and their tongue. So, sabi ko siguro,
Oo.
i-chapwera muna natin yung tongue. Kasi ang ear, mas madaling, kasi nakalabas eh, no? And they were so
Yes.
amazed because may isang ear na lalaki, tapos yung dito niya maitim, tapos nakadikit yung dito. It's more on
Oo.
the lumbosacral parang. Yung pala nahulog siya. So they were so
Oh.
so sabi ko, at saka ano, 'di ba, you start from here, tapos tuturuan natin ng ear massage. So that's very, very
Oo.
community. So can you imagine if nag-set ka ng new trend, 'di ba? And we already signed a MOA. Oo, which is good for 3 years. So help
Oo.
out, no? Baka malay mo, may mga connections dyan. And until now, I'm still, ako kasi I hate giving lectures that are long. Kasi,
Oo.
kasi walang maintindihan din. So siguro, di ba I shared with you yung ano,
Yes.
yung sa ear. Siguro
Yes.
anong gagawin mo pag ganito yung ear, di ba? So lagay mo na lang yung mga points doon. O if
Yeah, for them, the basics muna.
basics muna kasi this is what you
Yeah,
see every
para
day.
yeah,
Hanapin mo muna
every
yung Frank's sign, no? Tapos kung may
mm-mm.
problema sa mata, no? Yung sign, astigmatism. Now let's go to occiput. Occipital headache. Parang kakaiba yung energy ko ngayon. Mukhang hindi ako nagmamadali. Okay. Dizziness, neck tension, stiffness along the nape, and blood stasis. Of course, when there is, pain, there is
Mm.
really blood stagnation, blood stasis. Because the visual cortex is located in the occiput. It is used to treat eye disorders. Siguro for eye practitioners, no? We should do the ox occiput. So the occiput is here. Alam mo, I'm already thinking, Shenman, the brain.
Mm.
Siguro,
Yeah.
gawin ko kayo yung
Yun
lahat.
na lang.
Siguro, no? Like,
For maintenance, pwede naman.
mm, no,
Diba?
I'm thinking of doing it siguro, like, for free muna. Tapos, hindi ko sabihin sa kanila, huwag tanggalin. Ano spa. Sige, mga Thursday, punta ako doon. Ah,
Lock.
yes.
No, nothing.
Excited.
Yeah.
Number 67 is here. Hmm, Occiput.
Mm.
Kasi imagine nyo yung mukha ng bata, no? Dito ba dito yung mukha? Dito yung mukha o nandito? Dito tayo yung mukha niya. So yung occiput niya nandito. Diba? So the bunganga would be here, something. Okay. Um, neuropsychiatric disorder, psychosis, may mga ano,
Oh,
mental issues. Also for
lockjaw.
pain, like stiff neck, no? Shock, inflammation, convulsions, lockjaw. It relieves motion sickness. Think occiput. Hmm.
Mm.
Punta tayo sa temple for beauty. So ito na yung tayang. Remember tayang?
Mm.
So dito mo na lang ilagay sa 68 here. Siguro unahin ko yung mga powerful points, no? Para wala na silang aaralin masyado. Yun na pwede maging
Mm.
generic. No, siguro. Kasi rather than go yung mga she clef points, yung mga ganun, di ba? Siguro pwede, like dampness, heat, ano pa ba? Wind, no? Local point for breakouts, tension, migraine. Told me it was effective. Are you sure this was the point?
Which one? For temporal?
Yeah. Was this the one you used?
Yeah, somewhere there. Occiput and somewhere there. Basta
Okay.
that area.
So siguro this time,
Nawala talaga eh. Yung temporal.
pero ginamitan mo ng Shenman.
Yes, I
Ngayon
did.
meron ng brain point.
Oo nga eh. Next time when I
Yeah.
see her.
69 is forehead. I hope you're liking this, no? Because parang maganda yung system natin. Ako kasi, I get bored easily. So, if you like talk
Mm-mm.
about this for like every week, kung napansin mo next na naman is tongue diagnosis, pulse, then gano'n na
Mm-mm.
naman, di ba? Parang hindi ka ma-exhaust yung utak mo, no? O, tinan mo, wrinkles. Mm, wrinkles. Acne, pain, congestion of sinuses. Here. It treats Yang Ming headaches. When you have Yang Ming, stomach and large intestine.
System
Yeah.
for
Then we have the brainstem, number 70, which is here. So parang itong nasa ano, nasa labas, 'di ba this is Dingchuan? This is the brainstem. For disorders of cerebral blood vessels and meninges, incomplete development of the brain, apoplexy, parang stroke na rin, parang nangihinaan, convulsion, stiffness along the neck, sequel to cerebral shock, respiration. Yeah, maganda rin siguro to. Then I1 and I2, what's the difference? These are supplementally clinically effective points used in glaucoma and myopia. Napansin mo, may mga lecture na tayo on glaucoma.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pa pala alam na iba. But anyway, because I'm really, really, exploring this.
Glaucoma is phlegm, di ba? I know.
No, it's an increased
It
intraocular
increases.
pressure, and the most common cause is gallbladder and liver fire. Uh-uh.
Mm,
You should, or I'm sorry, liver
liver.
stagnation pala. Liver cheese stagnation pa rin, no? And grabing impact nito kasi 'di ba ang liver konektado sa eyes, no?
Mm-mm.
So this is used with eye point. I'm sure you remember where the eye point is on the lobe, very center. Um, you supplement this with liver, heart, spleen, stomach, shan, ang dami naman. Spleen and
Mm-mm.
stomach process nutrients for the body that create blood. Okay. To raise the blood pressure, you need 73. Okay? Pero mukhang wala ka mang makikitang ganyan ngayon.
Yes, raise blood pressure.
74 ovaries and testes. So kung ang prostate and uterus nandito, dito, di ba? Remember, this is
The question, pag hypothyroidism, low blood pressure yun. Pag hyper is high blood
Yeah, yeah,
pressure.
yeah. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Pero not all the time. Kasi
Not all the
depende
time.
sa ano ng dampness naman talaga
Condition.
sa lahat eh, no?
Mm-mm.
Irregular menstruation, infertility, the ovaries, testes would be number 74 here. So nasa loob. So for fertility problems,
Mm-hmm.
ay hindi sa loob. 66 pala. This is the ano, the thalamus, no?
74 is
74 ina dito, katabi lang.
outside.
Pero nasa labas siya. Yeah, sorry. And the number 75. Ah, okay. Look.
75 is inside.
Parang ano siya, tingnan nyo. Nandito ang 74, andito si 75.
75. Mm-mm.
Yeah. So 75 regulates all endocrine secretions, hormonal problems. Thank you for your attention. We're done. Thank you so much.